I managed to get it. The reason why I said I have a 1 in 10 chance of making it, you can see still it's really, might as well say 100% still good wood. This fell back in the wintertime, so it hasn't been here that long. The reason I say I had a 1 in 10 chance, because when you go to cut something, it was going up that way. So if I cut this first, this is going to push back and pinch my blade. If I cut this first, this is going to push back and pinch my blade. So you pretty much got to work it back and forth and try to get it to where when this one finally breaks free, that one snaps off. And you can see that's not really good. That's snapping off like that. But I mean, I don't know what else you're going to do, because they will try to squeeze themselves together when it's like that. And even still, it did pinch my saw a little bit, because it doesn't take much. Just this little piece right here was all that was left right there, and that was stopping that tractor. Of course, now it's muddy down here, but that was stopping that tractor. I had to come cut it, and the minute I cut it, of course, it fell on my blade. That's why the saw was there. But now I can probably kind of come back up in there and get that next one and get the next one. I'll have to tie onto it with a chain. I can't get, you can see it's way too muddy. I can't come down here with the tractor yet. It's it'll be August probably before I can do that. But anyway, that should be, what, maybe 20 inches there on the small end. Give me a 17-inch circle. That should be way more 2x4s than I need. Now I lost some because of that right there, because it's gonna, those little snaggles, they'll go up in that tree some, but that's, you know, that's okay. I don't know how long that is, probably 12 or 13 foot. That's I had come out here last year and measured it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It must be 16 foot. And all I need is 12, so anyway, let me get back up there, get something done.